Alright, so the first step in taking off the center console is these two little screws in here. All we got to do is open that up and then take the little carpeting off, and they're right in there. Pretty simple. And go ahead and leave them in there. Put the carpeting back and close it back up. The next thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency brake cover. So we're going to activate the emergency brake, and it slides up. So I'm going to push upwards to get it to slide off of the two little clips in here. See? You can see what I'm talking about. So this right here goes in there, so it's pretty simple. But the whole purpose of this is to get to this screw right there. So we're going to go ahead and take that screw off. So now that we got that screw off, this center piece right here is another clip over here that you just got to pull up on it. So we're gonna do that. There we go. You can see where the clip was at. Now that I have the screws and the tab off, you just kind of slide it sideways like this, flip it like this, and then you'll be able to access all of the cables that you're going to have to remove to get that completely off. But we're going to go ahead and get started on this. Cable. Just force it a little bit, that's all. Alright, so there we go. Cable is off. Alright, so the next part, we got to take this part off right here. You can see the creases of where it actually divides. So we're trying to get this bezel out. So we're gonna insert a flathead screwdriver right there in the little tabs, and just kind of gently pry it up. That's all you gotta do, and then pull back toward you this way. It might be a little pain, but there we go. Alright, so at this point I'm gonna have to put the car in neutral to take this off. So we're gonna go ahead and take these side pieces off. There's two of them. There's two screws right here. There's one right here. Leave it there for now. You can see it move. You can already see it coming off. So I guess we take these out of there so we don't lose them. There's two, and there's two more, one on each side. This is also clipped in place, so we're gonna take it off of here. See the clip, and it comes right off. We're gonna do the same on the other side. There we go. Thanks a lot for watching. If this was useful to you, support the channel by liking the video and subscribe to see my future content. Take care.